Little osprey eating a rabbit. I'm only 6 feet away. Oh, he's crapping.
Oh.
What is that, a squirrel or a rabbit?
It's like a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Nice.
Crows are wanting it too.
How far am I away?
Huh?
I'm like 9 feet.
9 feet, maybe.
This is Dunedin, Florida, an apartment complex.
Huh?
I'm 9 feet away and I'm taking a video here of an osprey eating a rabbit. It doesn't seem to mind me at all. You can hear the crows. The crows want a piece of this too.
We didn't let our birds out then.
I don't think the rabbit liked it too much. I hiked in Ocala National Forest and never seen anything this close.
That's what scared him.
A couple of bears that were kind of 100 yards away.
So he's been here for a while. Because my male bird was looking out the window and he started going all haywire and stuff. I was like, damn.
That's what it was.
Yep.
Yeah, because the rabbit was about to have fun. We have a couple parakeets that we put on the porch. One time we had a red-tailed hawk come over and land on the railing.
How close you gonna let me get?
I don't know how close you want to get.
Inch by inch.
He's watching your feet.
You think this ain't going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Don't get any closer.
Take a hunk out of me.
Yeah, he would.
Yum, 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 rabbit.